Hi, I'm Gil Junger, and I want to direct you. I don't want to teach you how to act. I want to direct you so you can leave your next performance or audition with the confidence of knowing that you nailed it. I want to direct you the same way I directed Heath Ledger or Julia Stiles or Joseph Gordon-Levitt or Zendaya or Josh Duhamel or Megan Fox or Martin Lawrence.
Oh! He ain't breathing! White man down! White man down!
Or Ellen DeGeneres.
Susan, I'm gay.
Or any of the thousands of actors I've had the pleasure of working with. My approach to directing has always been working with an actor to find the most organic, authentic way to emote the feelings and behaviors of a particular scene.
The thing that I love about Gil is that he'll tell you exactly what is wrong and exactly how you can fix it.
It was a lot of fun. Gil Junger's an amazing director.
What's going to set you apart in an audition is presenting a unique reflection of you, not what you think the writer or director is looking for. How did that feel for you?
It felt really good.
Adrenaline rush.
I learned a lot.
Stronger choices, different ways to play.
Really like how you work.
So valuable.
My method of directing isn't something you can learn from a class or a course or a book or an acting coach. It is solely dependent on the individual I'm working with and the energy and dynamic that we create together. If you can act and want to be directed by me, let's get to work.